Welcome to another DORE experience. I'm your host, Tim, here with Tank, and boy, do we have a treat in store for you. We're here in Peavy Arboretum, and just across the street is a single level home on just shy of 2.2 acres. And what I love about this location is your access to miles of hiking trails and this spectacularly preserved arboretum for your daily enjoyment. You guys are not gonna believe this place. Let's go take a look.
Find your center in the woods. Rediscover what you're made of. Douglas fir, oak and pine invite you in. Please take your time. Feel the spirit wild and free, living in the air you breathe. Welcome, welcome to this place, a bright world waiting to embrace you. The mountains and valleys, the sun and the rain. Welcome to the Oregon way. Welcome to the Oregon way.
And everything's just super pristine and clean here in this neighborhood. It's really a niche part of Corvallis, I think. And just like how good that looks. Tank's really enjoying this 2 acre plus lot. And I gotta say, in this huge open concept, soaring ceiling, living room, dining room, kitchen combo space, one of the concerns that someone might have with this home is the proximity to the highway. But let's just keep it real for a moment. I'm sitting here. I hear peace and quiet. This is an amazing space for entertaining, super efficient floor plan with 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and a master on the main floor, plus plenty of garage space. Cannot go wrong.
Open mind. All that glistens here is gold. Every trail will lead you home. Welcome, welcome to this place, a bright world waiting to embrace you. Mountains and valleys, the sun and the rain. Welcome to the Oregon way.
I think you should call this place your place. Oh, and by the way, if you like our content and you want us to keep great stuff coming your way, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll do our best to keep you informed.